Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, if you see in the last class we have started with public relations. So what is public relations? Public relations is a management function which evaluates public attitudes, identifies the policies and procedures of an organization with the public interest and executes a program of action and communication to earn public understanding and acceptance. Okay, what is this? Basically, how the company is communicating and what kind of image a particular company has in the minds of the people. So this is public relations, how well they are communicating with them. Like for example, I'll tell you something happens, some bad news comes in the market, okay, about the company. So if it is true or false, that is different. But the PR agencies or the PR team that is related with the company, they'll jump in and try to minimize the damage, okay, by that particular news. Whether it is true or false, that is later to see. So it goes to legal part, then police is involved, courts is there, courts will be there. Then after the judgment, we will get to know, okay, what has happened. Okay, like for example, if you see recent news, okay, HDFC. So HDFC has done some mistake and RBI has penalized them with 10 crores of rupees. Okay, I don't know whether you are aware of it or not. So this is yesterday's news. So that is the HDFC Bank is being penalized or fined of rupees 10 crores. Okay, so I'll not go into much of depth. Okay, for taking vehicle loans, they had to buy some product which was not related to uh, financial sector or the particular loans that they were taking. So that is the acquisition, and there was a whistleblower through whom that particular thing came out, and later on it came to light that it was true. Okay, you had to buy something, some product which was not related to finance if you want to approve your uh, vehicle loan in HDFC. So this was the issue. So later on, HDFC came into like in the sense HDFC in the sense they themselves or the top level management was not doing anything. This was some employees of the bank in some of the places who were trying to do this. Like they were having some tie-ups with companies where they need to buy some products, okay, related to automotive only, but not related to loans or anything like related to bank. So the company was saying, or the officials there were saying who were like approving the loans. They were basically telling the people who are applying loans to buy some products. Okay, the product would be this speed limiting or something is there. So which is costing them 18,000 rupees. If they buy that, then only the loan would be approved. So this is how they were running some racket within the bank with like some of the employees in relation with the companies. So you can check this is already a matter which is there in public domain. So yesterday even RBI fined them 10 crore rupees. Okay, so this is one of the news that is not good to the company. Okay, so what happens? The PR agencies will come in and they'll say, yes, we have done this, we have done that, we were not very much knowing about these particular things. So similar thing happened over here. The top level official, the CEO of the company came and he told that okay, we have investigated and we came to know who are the employees who are doing it and they are suspended or they are removed from service. Okay, so this is how you need to tell, like if there is an allegation or something happens and it is already proved or not proved, that is later thing, but in this case it was proved. So to contain the damage, so people will think twice now to open a bank account or to go for loans. So to do this, it was not the company's fault, okay, it was some employees who were doing it. So what company did, it came out and told that okay, we identified few people who were doing such things. Okay, then they were removed. So similarly in S Bank also. So if you have seen S Bank stock, it was somewhere around 300, 400 rupees suddenly fell. Okay, why? Because of the top level management issues. Okay, again there was bad publicity in the market. Then suddenly the share price of S Bank fell. So later, even RBI and many people, many banks, and all the big people who are capable of buying huge number of stock, they came in and there was a coalition made and there was a fund created by them. Then they bought the shares of S Bank. Then later on, if you are aware, there is a presently going on. Okay, 3 years of lock-in of the shares of Yes Bank. If you had more than 100, so whatever the 100 above 100 you had, like for example, if you had 120 shares, so the 100 were what do you call this? Not blocked. 100 were open, but the top 20 above 100, what was there? No, so those shares were freezed for 3 years. You cannot sell them for 3 years. Okay, so something like this has been done already. So those who had more than 100 shares of S Bank, okay, some of the shares are frozen now for 3 years. You cannot do for 3 years anything. You cannot sell. You can buy and sell later on. Okay, the people who had less than 100, they are okay now. At that time only, when they had imposed that particular freezing, what do you call, the rules. Okay, so at that time only who had more than 100 were freeze. Now you can openly trade. Okay, this was done to freeze the shares of those big people I told, right? So they can buy now. Suddenly if they feel they don't want now, they'll dump the shares in the market. Okay, and they have taken in lakhs together shares, not the amount, the number of shares. Lakhs together shares they have bought. Suddenly if it comes into the market, suddenly the price falls again. So this is where the PR and other people will work properly if there is an allegation. So if there is no allegation also, you need to have certain way of thinking. If I tell a name of a particular company, so based on so many things like the uh, welfare activities, social activities, then CSR activities, why these are showcased? Because a particular person should have a particular perception about a company. Okay, to do all these things, public relations are very much important. How are you being keeping your relations with your customers? Okay, with general public as a company. So that is what they are telling you. Public relations is a management function which involves, sorry, which evaluates public attitudes. I told you, right, how public is thinking about my product, how public is thinking about my company. Okay, so identify the policies and procedures of an organization with the public interest. If somebody thinks, okay, this company is not doing well, or their products are harming the environment, okay, so environment issues will come. So to do that, like to what do you call, minimize those problems, these people will start helping, or will start the CSR activities. So I'm doing this to nullify it. We cannot nullify actually. To balance, you can say, to balance. They are doing some CSR activities. Basically, like for example, paper industries and all. The raw material is trees, so they need to cut down trees to make paper. Okay, so what they do, these particular companies who make paper, they buy some lands, or they take some part of forest from the government. Take in the sense, they'll allot some particular land from the forests. Okay, and they'll start planting trees over there. Okay, so if they cut all the trees, later on they'll not be having any trees. So whichever trees or whichever uh, plants they want, they'll start planting it over there. Plus, in some other areas which they own, they plant the trees which are used in making paper. Okay, so just like example, so you might have remembered or you might have forgotten that yes, papers are made from trees. The books that you write, okay, used to write the papers in it, it comes from trees. Okay, similarly the cardboard or any boxes. Okay, if you order something from Flipkart or Amazon, so you see it comes in a box. Yes, even those boxes are made from trees itself. The raw material is somehow related to trees, if not directly. Okay, here the plywood that you use, these are the chunks of trees, okay, which are put together and made in a thick format. So that is plywood. So basically, we are using trees, we are cutting trees. So to minimize this, what they are doing, minimize in the sense, to balance those. Okay, these people are coming up with planting trees and other stuff, which basically uh, balances the thing what they are doing. Okay, so again they'll cut in the later time whatever they have planted, but they'll plant again. So this is how we try to balance, stating that okay, these are the things which we are doing. We are trying to get some public interest okay, or to change the attitudes of the people towards them, okay. Then we can see here example PNG Shiksha. Again, same example we had seen last time. So, I mean, I had shown you this particular thing. So, what is this? What they are telling you? Thank you for helping build my school. So, this is a girl. So, Vidya class 6. So, what she is telling? Thanks for building my school, helping build my school. To whom? To the consumers of PNG. That means they are putting the part of the development on your hands, stating that if you buy my product, anyway you need it, right? You are using my products, but if you like my product in the sense, you need those products basically like Ariel, Tide, washing products, right? Like shampoos, conditioners, everything you need. You might buy of my company so that we are helping to build schools, okay, wherever the infrastructure is required. So anyway, they are telling you are using it. Why can't you use my product? So in turn, you are helping build an infrastructure for school or something. Okay. Second, coming to TCS. So what is this? TCS. They are organizing a marathon. They are trying to focus on the health of the people. Why? So why is this? So in what do you call IT industry, usually people say that you are very stressed, you are not looking after your health. Okay, you are getting obese because you're sitting and just using your systems or laptops for your work. Okay, more of the time you'll be sitting. So there is like it is being said or alleged that okay, IT people who are working in IT and all, they are not that healthy. Okay, they don't care much of, they don't take care about their health and all. So to like what do you call minimize or to address that particular issue, companies like TCS and other IT companies, they organize marathons. Okay, they organize what do you call healthy food habits or some dietary plans. Okay, so something like this, exercises, okay, campaigns related to exercise, keeping yourself healthy, improving your immunity. So these things related to what acquisition being done over those particular companies, they'll try to minimize it or try to uh, get something in return. Okay, stating that yes, we are doing it. So here, most of them, all the employees of TCS will be called. Plus, it will be open to general public. Okay, even if you are interested, you can come and run in the marathon. Okay, so this is how they are having a image, building a image in the minds of the people. Okay, so ITC and all, if you see, they are doing so much of CSR activities. Okay, there is something called as e-Chowpal. Okay, there is a e-Chowpal which is being run by them. This particular e-Chowpal helps the farmers. Okay, so they are setting up a small booths with people, and this is trained people in the booth plus a system and internet. Basically, this gives all the information about what a particular farmer needs. Okay, how the uh, environment would be or when the rains will be there. Okay, so what is the price, okay, of the yield that they are getting. Okay, what you call, government will assign some of the prices, okay, to many grains and all. So how these people will come to know when to transport. Okay, so if any information is required by them, so even they help with soil testing and all. So this is one of the ways, like CSR activities, they are being into the minds of the people. Okay, so many people may not know all those things, but where people are getting this particular uh, help from all these people, they will be knowing it. Plus, slowly it will spread. So this is how they are maintaining the attitudes. Okay, they are changing the attitudes of the people. Then objectives of public relations. So it has to promote the organization as well as its product or services. So I told that promotion is being done. So they could have just done a marathon there earlier. Why should they put everywhere TCS, TCS? So it is to promote the company, organization, the products and the services. Then its primary objective is to maintain mutually beneficial relations between the organization and public. So mutually beneficial relations. It's not only the company that is being benefited, plus even the public should be benefited with this. Okay, so this is how they are working, beneficial to both organization as well as its public. Then it can work closely with the marketing department to provide the best overall image of the firm and its products or service offerings. Okay, how well it can be projected. Okay, about the product or the image in which they want to have it in the minds of the people. So these are some of the objectives of public relations. Then tools of public relations. What all are there? The press release, press conferences, exclusives, interviews, community involvement, the internet, company newsletter, and sponsored events. So we'll look at this in detail. So the press release. What is press release? The information to be used by the press has to be factual, comma, true, and of interest to the medium as well as its audience. So just like that, if you print something, people you think people are interested to read it. No, we need to make sure that it is factual, it is very real. Okay, then true. Then it should be of the interest of the medium as well as the audience, right? So they should be interested. Then you can give that particular information. Then the source of the press release must improve the livelihood of the news, reaching the right target audience, making it interesting and making it easy to pass along. In a sense, the news should be like it should improve. People should feel good about the news, okay, and they should be ready to pass it on. Even the word of mouth helps here. Okay, then the information in a press release won't be used unless it is of interest to the readers of the medium. Okay, it will not be released in the press unless it has to be told to the people or it is related to the public, which who are related to that particular company. Okay, this is what is press release. This then comes press conference. So you can ask me what is the difference press conference and press release. Press release is just like that it will be printed in the newspaper. Okay. Press conferences are the people or the representative of the companies will be calling all the press people at once and they'll be answering. Okay, there will be a conference that is happening. They'll be answering the questions of the public if any are there. Okay, then the topic must be of major interest to a specific group before it is likely to gain coverage. In the sense, if it is a current issue or very hot issue presently, then even the press are very keen to cover it. Okay, cover the conference. So they will come in a lot of numbers. Plus, so many questions would be asked to the representatives of the company. Then usually major accomplishments like winning a major contract, major breakthroughs like invention or medical cure. Okay, emergencies or catastrophes warrant a national press conference. In the sense, these things like you might have seen many a times in this COVID period, the Prime Minister of India has come on to the TV and he has had a chat with the people. Okay, suddenly when you used to hear, so it had so happened that okay, Modi is having a meet okay with the people or he is coming live. Okay, people used to get afraid because okay, is this lockdown coming again or it is being extended? What we need to do? Okay, so these things are there. Usually, major accomplishments, breakthroughs. Okay, in terms of medical this and all. So if you see major breakthrough in the present condition was coming up with vaccines. Okay, approval of vaccines for the cure of coronavirus. Okay, then on a local level, community events, local developments, and the like may receive coverage. So you can see local news channels in Belgaum. If you see, which is a local TV network, it is in Belgaum. Okay, so in Belgaum is there, and in social media you can have Marvelous Belgaum or some other pages are also there. So these are some of the basic ones. Okay, then in TV, I told you in Belgaum and all. So these people cover the local news. What happens in Belgaum? What is happening? Anything has to be done, or any person is doing something better. Okay, or he has organized some things like blood donation camps and all. So these things are covered in the local news. So it may so happen that even the coverage about the fests in the colleges in and around the city, even that could be done. So what basic things are happening in a particular area is being covered by this local news. Okay. Then exclusives. What are exclusives? In this case, the organization offers one particular medium exclusive rights to the story if that medium reaches a substantial number of people in the target audience. So you could have seen exclusively in our TV channel. Okay, exclusively they have given interview to us only. So these are the exclusive. So recently the most popular one, if you see, which was like spreading like wildfire in the media, like the interview of Prince Charles, okay, and his wife Meghan Markle, okay, with Oprah Winfrey, if you remember it. So this was a huge event where only one particular TV channel was allowed, where that particular what you call program done by Oprah Winfrey was there. Okay, so she took an interview of Prince Charles and Meghan Markle, his wife. So why this was big? Because the prince has had left his what do you call the power over that particular land. Okay, so that's why. Why was it? So there was huge what do you call interest on finding out why these people left those riches and the power that used to come with them. Okay, so why was this? So this was revealed in that particular uh, exclusive program, okay, done by Oprah Winfrey. So these are the exclusive ones. Like some wedding event will be there of a big star, and it will be exclusively run only on a particular channel. Okay, so whose was it? I don't remember. Recently, it was done. Okay, so one of the channels said exclusively you can see the footage or the live uh, marriage event recently, in the sense before Corona only, that is 1.5 years back. Okay, so live coverage of a particular wedding of a film star. I am not remembering the name. Okay, so it was done exclusively in one of the TV channels, and the right will be given to them. Okay, if they want, they could sell it to different news channels also, but majorly it is exclusive for them. The live will be exclusive for them. Later, if they want, the footage will be given to some other channels also. So these are exclusives. Exclusives enhances the likelihood of acceptance, in the sense only in my channel I am revealing. You can see it only in my channel. So if you do hear these words in the major news channels, okay, especially the local news, you can say first in my channel, okay, reported first in my channel. So exclusively interview of a particular person in my channel. So this happens, right? These are exclusives. Then interviews. This is having a company's spokesperson answer the questions raised by the media. Interview, like a general conference would be press conference, or if many media people are called, or it is one-to-one interview can be done by the company's spokesperson. So you could see Ratan Tata coming and talking to people. You can see Narayan Murthy coming and talking to people. You can see Azim Premji holding a press conference. Very rarely do they do, but they do, because I am telling you, because they are the representative of the whole group. Okay, so when they come, it is very what you call big thing. What could be revealed? Any things are there? So there would be some allegations about the company that would be asked to them, and people are waiting for the answers from these people. So this is how again PR is set. Okay, that is why the top level management could be the CEO, COO, it could be MD or the owner, okay, or the chairperson. So these people will come and give the interviews. Why? Because they want to clear something or communicate something to the people, so that change of attitude in the way of thinking of the people will be done. Okay, then community involvement. Okay, corporations enhance their public image through involvement in the local community. So they'll ask you in local time, like involvement of community in the sense, you might have seen in all over India this is done. Okay, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, plus where they are asking you to segregate the dry waste and wet waste. Okay, this is where community involvement is there. Okay, you could have thrown everything, but they need to segregate it later. They were doing it, but the corporations are asking the residents to like differentiate the wet and the dry waste, so that it is easy to take care of the waste that is being generated in the area or in the area of that particular uh, corporation. Okay, so this is what is community involvement. We are involving the community, stating that yes, please help us in doing this. Okay, like keep your city clean, don't throw here and there anything. So there are dustbins provided to you. Okay, then if you see, don't throw any waste. So painting and all things are done and they'll be written, don't do anything, you will be prosecuted and there will be camera kept if required. Okay, you are under CCTV surveillance, don't throw any waste. So happens in big cities like Mumbai, Bangalore and all, where even people after seeing all these things as a habit, they'll come and throw and will be captured in CCTVs. Then they will be sent a notice or a fine regarding with the footage that you have done this and you have to pay this particular penalty for it. Okay, then involvement of many cases, including the membership in local organizations to participate in the local events. So even they could come up with events like, okay, in the Holi, if you see, there will be a ground where they will be arranging for playing Holi. Okay, at the time of Navratri, like Dandiya and all, if you see, there the companies would be organizing Dandiya fests, okay, or programs, okay, where it would be for the general public of that particular area or for the employees of that particular company. So this is where community is involved. Then comes the internet. The internet or web is used by corporations to establish media relations and government, investor and community relationships to deal with crisis and even for marketing. So I need not explain much about the internet being used for marketing or what do you call, or for disseminating the information from the company. So you all know all this, like company websites are there. Company websites are used to address issues as well as to provide information. Like you would have seen frequently asked questions, FAQs. It could be everywhere. Like you are filling a form for some examinations. If you see there, some FAQs would be written. That is frequently asked questions. Like what people have asked frequently, what was the problem and what is the solution. So if something happens, you have to go to that FAQ part, frequently asked questions, and check whether even you are having the same kind of problem. You might get solutions there without contacting anyone. If it is not there, then you should contact the contact information given. It could be through call or it could be through email. It could be through anything. Okay, so this is the way they are using the internet to provide information or to advertise or to address issues. Okay, so again you will see here, company websites are used to address issues as well as to provide information about products and services. Okay, achieve press release, link to other articles and sites. So if they are telling that their product is good or their product is something which is unique or it is not harming anyone, so they could give a link to some research papers or link to some study where it is being proved that they are right or they are not having any issues. People are not having any issues if they are using the product. So there are many things like paints would be there, some eatables would be there, some preservatives would be there, where there could be some allegations stating that if you use this, you are having health issues like cancer and all. Okay, so at that particular time, this is a big allegation. So what they do, they'll put all the information related to that, saying that the cancer is not spread through this. So there are many companies. So recently, the big thing that I remember is the Maggie use of like lead. Okay, presence of lead in a higher quantity in Maggie. So it was banned for some time. Then after the compliance, okay, of the company stating that yes, they have reduced it and all. Even now it is coming into the market again, but due to which Maggie lost a lot of market share. So if you remember noodles, in the sense we used to say Maggie, it was that pertinent in our mind of the people. Okay, people were like if they want to have noodles, they used to say get Maggie. Okay, so where is Maggie? You give anything now. Even now, I think many people use the term Maggie as synonym for noodles. They want noodles, but they say Maggie. So if something else is given, not this Maggie, other Maggie. Okay, so whether if it is they are asking for FE or whatever noodles they are there in the market, but they call it as Maggie. So that it was that spread into the minds of the people. But due to that small problem, people said, okay, now we don't want it. So even we had to like come up with a lot of PR strategies to minimize the loss of it. Okay, so around 80 to 90% of the market share was held by Maggie. So later on, it went to around 40 to 50. So I think now it is 60, around 70. Okay, but still they are not gone to the earlier level of market share because excuse me, because the damage was already done. Okay, so to come up, there are many people who say that I don't want to eat Maggie now because there was an allegation, and we don't know whether it was really done or it was just cover up done later on. Okay, that's why it is uh, very important to have good relations, and you need to act very fast when any allegations or anything comes against your product or your company. Then information on internet can be provided quickly. Okay, as you can do one tweet or you can have one Facebook post. Okay, it reaches millions of people at once. Okay, so the social media is that powerful as of now. You can, so it is said that around information reaches 70 times faster, 70, not 170, 70 times faster than your normal way of media. Okay, through the social media apps. So you might have recently seen there is a tussle between the government of India and the social media companies. Okay, so it is not only one social media company; it is for all. Though the government is trying to come up with rules governing this particular sector, social media. So India is not having any laws to govern it. So as they are bringing it, the laws in the market or to be used. Okay, so you might have known. So 2 days or 3 days back was the deadline for them. 25th or 24th was the deadline, but they did not comply. So many people are like many social media companies are taking different routes. Okay, some have gone to court. Okay, like Facebook has not Facebook. I think WhatsApp has gone to court, Indian court. Okay, stating that we cannot do this, that, and all. You can go through the matter later. Okay, but Twitter is having a different battle with the government. Okay, so it is like trying to bias. Why is it done so? So about Twitter, just a small information. Okay, so people the Twitter is telling that you are trying to curb the uh, what you call democratic right of the people to speak what they think. Okay, but what they are doing, so double standards. As government states, it has double standards. Okay, so one party, if they say something like this, like for example, the World Health Organization (WHO) states that don't use any name of the countries with the virus. Okay, so we just generally say it as UK variant, India variant, and all. But use of that in social media is not being told. Okay, it should not be done. Is being informed by WHO, World Health Organization. But Twitter and all the other people, when it is being already told to them to not to be used in this particular media, social media and all, they are not doing anything about it. People are openly putting all the names of all the countries basically. So UK variant, then Africa variant, Andhra Pradesh variant. Okay, so this is one of the standards where they are saying, and even with tweets, you might have known that when the elections in US were there, so nobody told them to do anything, but they themselves came and blocked the Donald Trump's Twitter handle and all. Okay, so that is there. So the recent again, if you see, Facebook had banned all this use of these words as WHO had said, but now Joe Biden has come up and told that okay about the theories of Wuhan, sorry, virus coming from labs, okay, leaking from labs. So, investigation on this. Now, suddenly, Facebook says that okay, we will not censor anything, and everything would be there in our website. So why this double standards? When Trump was there, it was a different thing. Even they had blocked the tweets and not tweets, the posts of Trump stating all these things in Facebook. Now suddenly, when there is a different government and a different person is saying, "Why are you doing it?" So this is one of the allegations. I am not telling it is true or false. Just I came to know about the news and I am informing all these things. Okay, to you. That's all. So this is where recent developments, what are happening in the rules of the social media. So have all this information with you. We never know. These are the hot topics. This could be hot topics for your group discussions later. So people want to know, like you are using social media and do you know the news about social media? What is happening with it? Okay. So even just one more thing I want to tell you. So this is not new to all these social media companies. So there are many countries who are already having the laws and they are abiding. These people are abiding those laws. But why they are opposing these particular laws in India, I don't know. So even laws are very simple. Okay. So there are 2 3 points which I don't want to like focus on as of now. That is not related. You can go through news and other stuff you are getting. Even on YouTube, you are getting all these things. Okay, so very much prominent. This is the hot topic that is going on in the YouTube space or any information space, news space as of now. So how fast? That is what I was telling you about internet and about social media. Then additional information can be provided through links. If anything is there, if you want to know more, you can see the link over there. Click here to know more about this. So this is how you can directly redirect any person who wants to read more or know more about the information. Then there is no space and time restriction seen in other media. Okay, so you can be on internet any amount of time you want. The only thing is you need to recharge and you need to have internet connection. So there is no restriction. It is not said that you have to be only for 1 hour or half an hour or at a particular time or only at 2 o'clock or only at 3 o'clock in the afternoon you can use internet. There is nothing like this. So and there is no space restrictions. You can buy space, okay, as much you want, and you can put your information over there, like cloud computing and all. So this is what is internet, use of internet for PR activities. Excuse me. Then company newsletter. Newsletter is an in-house publication. What is this? It is printed by the company. In-house publication for whom? This publication could be for the company people or the customers of the company. Okay, you can see it later. Achievement of the firm and the employees are included in the newsletter. Anything new that is there or that has to be told to the company, company people or the outside customers also has been printed there. Okay, so any new product that is being introduced or it will be introduced in the market, information of that will be given in the newsletter. So now recently what I've seen, many of you have gone to different companies. So you can you could have seen the magazines which were there in the company. So you might have not seen those outside. Okay, you would have said that it is a company magazine, right? You would have used the term company magazines. So even in the references and bibliography I've written, okay, information from the company magazines. What are those? Those are company newsletters. Basically, giving the information, some information about the company related to the employees, related to the production, related to something new that is happening, related to R&D, related to the facility, okay, related to the CSR activities. So everything they'll put it in the newsletter. Then it can be distributed to employees, current and potential customers. That's what I told you. Basically, it will be inside the company and for the current and potential customers. Okay, it is like a brochure basically printing different things, and these newsletters could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly, or half yearly also. So depending upon the company, as this is the publication, in-house publication from the company itself, they can choose to print as and when required. In a sense, it could be, as I told you, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or yearly ones. So at times you could have seen, okay, company newsletter for 1999 or 2009, then 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 20. So like this yearly also you could have, or it could be monthly edition. So it could be like March 2020 edition. That means newsletter printed in March 2020 or issued in March 2020. So this is what is company newsletter. Then comes sponsored events. Organization may sponsor specific events which match their mission. Okay, marathon by TCS. You have seen it. Why? When I explained the allegations that okay, in the IT industry or the employees of the IT industry won't take much much of what do you call it, care about their health. Okay, the health of IT industry people is deteriorating. So based on this, so they are organizing marathons. So what is this? They are telling that okay, we are focusing on the our workforce to be more energetic, more health conscious, and all. So we are coming up with this particular marathons. So that is what is marathon by TCS. Then public relations strategies. What are public relations strategies? There are two types. One is proactive and the other one is reactive. What is proactive? This is without anything. So without somebody asking you, you are doing it. That is proactive. So on my own, I am taking everything on my own, the decisions, and I am doing it. That is proactive. Reactive, somebody says something, then you are basically reacting to it. So that is what is called as proactive PR strategy and reactive PR strategy. We'll just look at them. Proactive PR strategy. What is this? It is decided by the company in terms of what objectives it wants to achieve. Okay, what is the objective? So how a particular company wants to think about them. Okay, then what kind of employees they treat. Like even you might have seen there is even ratings given by many companies for workability. So there are ratings like you might know, like government also is getting ease of opening businesses in a particular country. So all over the country it is being rated. So similarly, uh, choice of work. Okay, like how people are like I cannot I'm not able to put it in words actually. uh, okay, how happy are the people to work in these companies basically. Okay, so there are rating given to the companies also. Excuse me, how well they are treating their uh, workers. Okay, how they are treating their employees basically. So how many employees are really like willing to work in a particular company. Okay, like based on whatever it is, like the facilities provided, uh, like the organization culture. Okay, like the handling of employees in the company by the top level management. So all these things are considered and rating will be provided. Okay, so these are proactive ones where nobody is asking anyone to go and do this study and all. So it is proactively done. Okay, then it is applied to create a positive image about the company, like an employee achievement, okay, award guaranteed, contribution to community or to social to some social cause. Okay, some example I'll tell you. When I was working in industry, so I had seen I was in Chennai and my friend used to work for the company Mindtree. So once he told me, yes, we had gone to beach. So I thought for picnic or something. No, from the company's side, the employees were given a T-shirt stating that it is employees of Mindtree and all. They had gone to the beach to clean the beach. Okay, so people go there, eat so many things, they take and go so many things, throw there and come. Okay, they are basically putting litter everywhere on the beaches. So what this Mindtree people had done, they had taken some employees of Mindtree, they had taken them to beaches, they had asked them to clean the beach. So this is a activity, social cause. This particular activity was done for social cause by the employees of Mindtree. So everybody used to wear that particular shirt, which was given by them, white shirt with Mindtree, their logo and all. They went there and they were cleaning the beaches. So by this, even the company gets the name that okay, they are very much concerned about the beaches and all, concerned about the environment. Plus, they are using the employees. Employees in the sense, so whom are you calling the company? Whether it is the building. So if I put a name on the building, it becomes. If I say Mindtree on my house, whether this becomes Mindtree? No. So what is a particular company? It is its employees basically who are representing the company. So when the employees go there and do such work, it is like the company is doing the work and not the employees. So that's how the PR strategies are built. So that is how is the contribution to the community or the social cause. Then it is used to take advantage of the opportunities available in the market. So what all opportunities are there? How are we like basically want to portray ourselves in the market? Okay, there are many people or many companies who do something and who basically use it for their publicity and all. There are so many big companies who are doing so much of work, but they don't want it to come out in the market. But as they're doing in a very big scale, it will be out in the market without the efforts by the company. Okay, they know it, so that's why they don't do any efforts. Okay, they don't put any efforts in getting it out, because if Tata's or Birla's or the Reliance or whichever big company are doing something, yes, there are many people who are looking at them. Okay, so if they are doing something, if they don't tell anyone, also they'll come. The people will come, the media will come and cover it, stating that yes, they are doing it. So it comes into the market without any efforts by the companies. Even such companies are there. Okay. Then the main components of proactive PR strategy are public relation audit. What is this public relation audit? The companies identifies some positive, okay, which needs to be told to the public. What they are doing, they are trying to find out something good in them so that that could be told to the public. Second one, the company gathers information about the positive from the public to understand the current level of knowledge about the positive among the public. In the sense, they'll ask uh, opinions of the public, what good opinions they are having. Okay, how much they know about what we are doing, whether they are doing it properly or not, or somebody is twisting it, stating that even if it is good, they state it as bad. Okay, so anything that is there, we can have discussions on both the sides, whether it is good or bad. It could be anything. Okay, so even people debate on education, whether it is good or bad. Okay, so education, it is the most important thing where it gives you ability to do anything. That is what is knowledge. You are gaining knowledge in education. So even they debate there whether it is good or bad. Okay, so whatever it is, you feel it is good or bad, there would be people who are telling it good or telling it bad. So this is what is public relation audit, to find out first, to know what good is there in me and to tell people, and the second one is what people think of me, whether it is properly or not, what good things they know, okay, how much of knowledge they are having. Then public relation plan. Okay, we are having two things here: public relation audit and public relation plan. So there are steps in public relation plan. Situational analysis. This is analysis of the situation based on information gathered by the company. So in the earlier step, we are trying to find out. So this is what is situational analysis. We should know what is the present information that a particular public have about the company. So that is what is situational analysis. Then program objectives. It is about the objectives of the communication planned for the public in terms of what positive about the company to be highlighted. So what are we really want to highlight so that people are focused on it. Okay, so that is what is the program objective. Then program purpose. The overall purpose of PR should be specified in relation to other channels in IMC. So why I am doing this particular program for PR? So what is the exact purpose of doing it? Okay, so that has to be known before starting this. Then communication. Here the media vehicle to be used for communication is decided. So if you choose a media, then the media vehicle inside a particular media, the media vehicles are there. Okay, we have already covered what is media vehicle and all. It is like, for example, you are taking media as print media. So inside that, what media vehicle you want? So for example, newspaper. Which newspaper? There are so many newspapers. Okay, so which media vehicle are you willing to like print your ad? Okay, in which newspaper basically? Then message. The message to be delivered to the public is decided. So this is very important. The company thinks something and it prints. Okay, then it is decoded by the general public in a different way. So many a times it has happened. the company was thinking of it in one way, but the general public took it in completely different way. Okay, so what company was intended to communicate was not communicated in the way they want the people to be seeing it. Okay, so that is also very important. Then coming to reactive strategy. Okay, we'll do the reactive strategy in the next class. It's almost time. Okay, so we'll stop the class for today. So we'll continue it in the next class.